Hello guys, this is Sankitsu's Pie right here, and today we are doing kind of a vlog. So, doing kind of a vlog. This is a new place. Give me a second, let me just. This is in a different place. In my bed, I have this chaise. I'm still trying to figure out the kind of positioning I want this to be in. I have this chaise. If you don't know, look it up on Google because you have an internet connection if you're watching this. Sorry, unprofessional. Tissue boxes work as great tripods to hold your camera up. So this is also kind of a showcase. In my school we have this thing, it's computer solutions as like a special or elective, I guess. And one of the things you do in that class is you design something in a program called Tinkercad, which is free on the internet. And oh god. And then the guy who runs it prints it out. Very itchy. It's not a very comfortable position. The guy who runs it prints it out in a 3D printer. So I made a pie. It's an amazing pie right here. It's orange because all pies are orange. You see, I'd say it looks like a pie. It's supposed to be a pencil topper. I had a pencil, but I think the erasers are a tad too big, so it doesn't quite fit in. But yeah, it doesn't fit really. Drop that. Doesn't fit really because pencil's too, eraser is too big, but it would look like this. And theoretically, you can like spin it like this on a pencil if the pencil were stuck in. And it's kind of round, so you can spin it. I learned that. It's very fun if you're stuck in class and bored. So yeah, it's just this pie. It's pretty neat. There's a whole so that's pretty cool. Maybe I'll make some Ravenville videos over the weekend. This is also Happy New Year's. I made a thing before, but you know, I never said that. And this is technically not my first video in 2019. Technically, the other video was made in 2019. However, it was filmed before that, and then also after that, because it was filmed when the ball dropped. So that's nice. I don't know. It's pretty cool. This pie 3D printed thing. I think it looks nice. Made it myself. If you didn't already know. So, that's about it. I just got a PS4, and I've been playing that. It's pretty cool. My brother bought it, but like I've been also playing on it because I don't know, just cause why not? So that's it. Bye.